So good day everyone. This is our video documentation for IT era project entitled Prompting the Future 10 Years from Now. So we are 7 members in this group. So and each member prepared one unique prompt, making a total of 7 prompts for this activity. And for our evaluation, we will grade the AI generated images based on the three criteria: realism, future design, and prompt accuracy. These criteria will help us determine how effective and creative the AI-generated outputs are. So I will start for our first category, place where people hang out. So this is our image and create image. So here's the prompt. Quick prompt. Make make this indoor plaza and fund look 10 years in the future. In the future. So as we can see, the generated image show a futuristic version of the indoor plaza and pond. They added modern structure, advanced lighting, and futuristic design. However, some parts of the image appear a bit overcrowded and messy, which slightly affect the overall realism and accuracy of the output. And for my evaluation, I will give the image 6 out of 10 for its realism, 7 out of 10 for its future design, and 6 out of 10 for its prompt accuracy. So the overall total score for this is 19 out of 30.
Good day, everyone. In this part, I will show how improving a prompt with more specific details can create a better AI-generated results. So detailed prompts help the AI understand the exact design, atmosphere, and features that we want to achieve. So to improve the first result, we needed to be more specific because simple prompts usually give simple output. I am Harvey Magsakay and I will be writing the second prompt to enhance the first prompt. So let's go with the prompt number 2. What approve? What in so add more futuristic details. Include glowing digital sky. Access. So let's try this prompt. So this is the result. Because of those specific details, especially the glowing digital sky and neon lighting, the AI generated more realistic, futuristic, and visually appealing eco-hub design, while still preserving the original structure of the indoor plaza. So that's all for my part.
Hello, everyone. So, good day. I am Danikel, and let's move to our second area, which is the school area. We took a photo of Agawan Central School gate at night, and for prompt, our initial prompt, look futuristic at night. So it's analyzing image. Just wait for a while. So here, as you can see, the output is a bit generic and change the original structure too much. And my rating is 5 for realism and 8 for future design, and 5 for. So as you can see, the output is a bit generic and change the original structure too much. My rating is 5 for realism and 8 for future design, and also 5 for prompt accuracy. So my total score is for this rating is 18 out of 30. So we need to refine this.
So, continue with the school gate photo. My name is Abeljan Abaw. At ako ang mag-i-improve ng school gate na ito. This gate is from number 4. Upgrade upgrade this school entrance into a highly secure 20 2036 campus gate at night. And add a glowing holographic School sign. Floating above the entrance. Is lake metallic. Automated. Automated gates. Energy. Efficient. Is inlaid pathway. While keeping the surrounding. This looks much more like our original school but upgraded. This prompt efficiently structured the AI to keep the original trees while adding distinct upgrades like the holographics sign, which increase our prompt accuracy and rating 8 for our realism and 9 for our future design and 9 for prompt accuracy. For total is 26/30.
Do here is make this house look like a smart home from the future. Please. As you can see, this is my prompt. It ain't a perfect prompt, but this is just a simple prompt, weak prompt. Let's just wait for the ChatGPT AI to do its thing. By the way, I am Go Francis Nerico. So as you can see from the finished generated answer from the ChatGPT AI, he, it prompt or it generated two futuristic houses. But looking at the result, the AI completely changed the house into a generated sci-fi building or futuristic AI sci-fi house. It lacks realism. I rate this for out of realism, 7 for futuristic design, and 5 for prompt accuracy. So The total of it is 16 out of 30. So that's my part. Thank you.
This is the picture. So sorry sir, because I don't have a keyboard. So transform this house into a modern 2036 smart home with solar panels on the roof and a tech, the high-tech electronic gate. So, so, so the AI did okay and follow the solar panel instruction, but medyo generic pa rin ang design and the gate doesn't look very futuristic. I rate this 7 for realism, 7 for future design, and 8 for prompt accuracy. So total is 22/30. And that's all of my part. Thank you.
Good evening, Sir Nep. I am the last presenter of the house prompting. To get the best result, I created our final prompt, which is to transform this house into an advanced 2036 sustainable smart home. Keep the original structure, but um replace the roof with a sleek solar glass tiles. Then upgrade the gate to a glowing, transparent, smart lock barrier. And then add vertical green gardens on the concrete fences. So based on this prompt, the best output is shown. As you can see, it adds a tiny bit of details, but more efficient. Example for the door, it added a security verification, including the walls, the door. Providing this exact technological replacement forced the AI to generate a truly advanced 2036 design. Then I'll rate this 9 out of 10 across all the three criterias, which is the total of 27/30. Then that completes our presentation. Thank you.